Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Navy to commission Anjadeep. The Indian Navy is set to enhance its anti-submarine warfare capabilities with the commissioning of Anjadeep, the third vessel of the 8-ship anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft project. The warship will be formally commissioned into the Eastern Naval Command at Chennai Port on 27 February 2026. The ceremony will be presided over by Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of the Naval Staff. The commissioning ceremony highlights the nation's accelerated progress towards achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense, as the ASW SWC project exemplifies the triumph of indigenous warfare design and construction. Built by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers, Kolkata Anjadeep is a state-of-the-art vessel specifically designed to address the challenges of the littoral combat environment, the coastal and shallow waters vital for the nation's security. The vessel is engineered to act as a dolphin hunter focused on the detection, tracking and neutralization of enemy submarines in coastal areas. The ship is packed with an indigenous cutting-edge anti-submarine warfare weapons and sensor package, including the hull-mounted sonar Abhay, and armored with lightweight torpedoes and ASW rockets. In addition to its primary ASW role, the agile and highly maneuverable warship is also equipped to undertake coastal surveillance, low-intensity maritime operations, and search and rescue operations. The 77-meter long ship features a high-speed water-jet propulsion system, enabling it to achieve a top speed of 25 knots for rapid response and sustained operations. The induction of Anjadeep, named after the historically significant island off the coast of Karwar, significantly bolsters the Navy's capacity of safeguard India's vast maritime interest and coastal approaches, including Tamil Nadu and Puducherry area, marking another key step is transforming Indian Navy into a formidable builders navy. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.